Each year, more than 2,000 tons of red king crab, equivalent to approximately 4.4 million pounds, are harvested from the cold waters of Alaska, generating a commercial value of up to $43 million. However, this industry is not merely about seafood harvesting. It is a challenging journey where humans face the harsh forces of nature, fierce waves, and bone-chilling cold. From the ships brimming with hope setting sail in the stormy Bering Sea to the enormous traps filled with magnificent sea creatures, the king crab industry is a living testament to the blend of courage, skill, and tireless effort of the fishermen of Alaska. Alaskan king crabs are not only known for their immense size and spiky, hard shells, but also for their long, sturdy legs, which contain tender, sweet meat. These crabs are a favorite at high-end restaurants and seafood markets worldwide. The king crab legs, often simply boiled or steamed to preserve their natural flavor, have become a symbol of fine dining. The king crab harvest season in Alaska lasts only from October to January, a brief period during which the crabs gather in large numbers, making it an ideal time for harvesting. However, this is also when nature presents its most severe challenges, with freezing temperatures and rough seas creating perilous conditions for the fishermen. The process of catching king crabs requires a delicate balance of technique, experience, and endurance. Before setting sail, the king crab fishing vessels must be thoroughly prepared, equipped with specialized gear to withstand the massive waves and strong winds. The traps, which can weigh up to 800 pounds, are carefully inspected to ensure they can withstand the harsh ocean conditions. The fishermen also prepare fresh fish bait, ensuring it attracts the giant king crabs. The traps are then lowered to depths of 200 to 600 feet, and the crew must wait for hours, or sometimes days, depending on the environmental conditions, before pulling them back up. When it comes time to haul the traps, the work is anything but simple. The crew must work quickly, skillfully, and precisely to harvest the crabs without compromising their quality. Each crab is carefully inspected to ensure it meets size and weight requirements. Smaller crabs or female crabs are returned to the sea to preserve the natural population and maintain sustainability. This process demands great care, as the sharp shells of the crabs can cause injuries if not handled carefully. In addition to the technical and physical challenges, the fishermen also face the extreme natural conditions of the North Pacific. Strong winds, massive waves, and the biting cold of the ocean are constant dangers. Day and night, the crew must contend with these harsh elements as they haul traps weighing hundreds of pounds from the deep sea. This work requires immense physical stamina and attention to detail, as mishandling the crabs or the traps could lead to significant accidents. What sets the Alaskan king crab industry apart is the combination of traditional techniques and modern technology. The fishermen use time-honored methods alongside cutting-edge equipment to optimize the fishing process, monitor environmental factors, and adjust their actions accordingly. Modern control systems allow the crew to track factors like water temperature, wave height, and ocean depth, enabling them to make precise decisions throughout the journey. However, the job is not just about technology and technique. It is about the responsibility to protect the natural resources, as every fisherman understands that they are not only harvesting crabs for profit, but also preserving the species for future generations. Looking at the Alaskan king crab industry, one sees not only a business fraught with challenges, but also an ongoing journey of life, perseverance, and respect for nature. This is an industry where humans must fight not only against harsh natural forces, but also learn to coexist with the rhythm of the ocean, appreciating the value of each king crab and dedicating themselves to its protection. This industry is not just a source of economic benefit, but an integral part of Alaska's tradition and culture, where each voyage represents a larger story about humanity, nature, and the sustainability of our planet. Designed with the utmost care to ensure the crab's survival and maintain the highest possible quality before they make their grand journey to the processing facilities, these specialized tanks are a bit like the VIP lounges of the underwater world. Think of them as a luxurious spa for king crabs, where they can relax, unwind, and get ready for their next big adventure. Filled with seawater that closely mimics their natural habitat, the tanks are designed to prevent the crabs from experiencing shock or exhaustion, much like a 5-star resort designed to make its guests feel at home before a big event. These high-tech tanks are equipped with continuous water circulation mechanisms that work tirelessly to keep the oxygen levels perfect for the crab's breathing needs. It's almost like an all-you-can-eat buffet of oxygen for our crabby friends. The water is constantly moving, just as ocean currents do in the wild, ensuring that the crabs can breathe easily and feel right at home. And of course, temperature is key. These tanks maintain a stable water temperature that mirrors the natural conditions the crabs are accustomed to. No extreme heat or cold allowed here because just like us, crabs don't like their spa experience ruined by thermal stress, which could result in tough, less flavorful meat. We want them to stay as pampered as possible, right? This meticulous process doesn't just preserve the crab's vitality, it helps keep their meat as fresh and flavorful as the moment they were first caught. We're talking about premium quality that would make even the most discerning food critics give a round of applause. After all, no one wants to spend good money on seafood that's been treated poorly. These crabs are treated like royalty. From their time in the tank to their journey to the processing facilities, every detail is carefully crafted to ensure that the crabs are in tip-top shape for their grand entrance into the global market. So, in the end, these holding tanks aren't just a practical solution, they're a bit of a king crab concierge service, making sure that by the time these crabs reach your plate, they are as fresh, tender, and delicious as possible. After all, these little ocean royalty deserve the best, don't they? At the processing facility, king crabs undergo an intricate and highly advanced process that combines precision and technology to ensure their exceptional quality. This journey begins with the careful sorting of each crab based on factors such as size, weight, and overall quality. Only the crabs that meet the highest standards are selected to proceed to the next phase. Once the crabs pass this initial inspection, they move on to the automated processing line, where they are handled by state-of-the-art robotic arms. These robotic arms are equipped with sophisticated sensors and precision cutting tools, enabling them to efficiently separate the crab legs with remarkable accuracy. This step not only ensures uniformity in size and appearance, but also optimizes material usage, ensuring that no part of the crab is wasted. By minimizing waste, this process is more sustainable, making sure that every bit of the precious king crab is put to good use. After the preliminary processing, the crab legs are cooked to preserve their natural flavors and freshness. Depending on the desired end result, the legs are typically steamed, boiled, or prepared using other methods that help lock in the delicate sweetness and tenderness of the meat. This careful cooking process is crucial in maintaining the high standard of quality expected from these premium crabs. The next step in the process involves freezing the cooked crab legs almost immediately. This freezing step is essential for preserving the crab's quality and ensuring that they remain fresh and flavorful for an extended period, regardless of when they are ultimately consumed. One of the most interesting aspects of the processing is that some of the king crab legs are left intact, carefully packaged, and sent out for chefs to use in the preparation of premium dishes. These whole legs are meticulously handled, as they are often served in high-end restaurants where the visual presentation is just as important as the flavor. When these crab legs are placed on a plate, they are not only meant to offer an extraordinary taste experience, but also to impress with their elegant, grand appearance. The chefs can then craft exquisite dishes that highlight the richness of the king crab meat while ensuring an unforgettable dining experience for their guests. The entire process, from the initial sorting to the final packaging, showcases the perfect harmony of advanced technology and natural quality. Every step is carefully designed to maintain the freshness, flavor, and visual appeal of the crabs, ensuring that they are delivered in perfect condition to the tables of discerning consumers. The use of modern technology allows for a level of precision and efficiency that enhances the king crab's exceptional qualities, all while minimizing waste and maximizing sustainability. In the end, the result is a premium product that reflects both the expertise of the fishermen who harvested the crabs and the innovation in processing that preserves their highest quality, bringing the taste of the sea to your plate in the most refined way possible. Every step in the king crab processing journey is meticulously designed to balance speed, efficiency, and, most importantly, quality. The goal is to produce king crab products that meet the highest standards, ensuring they are ready to satisfy the demands of the global market. The process is seamless and highly refined, where modern technology and expert craftsmanship come together to deliver a premium product. Once the crabs are caught and transported to the processing facility, the meat undergoes a modern extraction process that ensures its delicate flavor and superior quality are preserved. This extraction is done either manually or with the help of advanced machinery, depending on the needs and scale of the operation. The meat is then thoroughly cleaned to remove any shells or impurities, ensuring that only the freshest and most pristine crab meat is left behind. This careful cleaning process is essential to maintain the integrity of the meat, which must remain as fresh as possible for the next stages of processing. After cleaning, the meat is sorted by size and quality, ensuring that only the best cuts make it to the next step. The sorting process is done in a strictly hygienic environment, as food safety is paramount at every stage. Once sorted, the crab meat is sealed in boxes or vacuum bags, both of which help to retain its moisture and natural flavor. This sealing process is crucial in ensuring that the crab meat remains as fresh and flavorful as it was when it was first harvested, all while protecting it from external contaminants. For added preservation, some of the crab meat is immediately frozen using rapid freezing technology. This advanced freezing method locks in the crab's quality, ensuring that they are preserved at their peak condition, maintaining both flavor and texture throughout transportation. This is particularly important for ensuring that the king crab meat can withstand the long journey to international markets while still offering the top-tier quality that customers expect. Once the processing is complete, the final products are not only convenient for consumers, but also meet strict international food safety standards. These high standards ensure that the king crab meat is not only of the highest quality, but also safe for consumption across global markets. The result is a product that is as fresh and flavorful as it is reliable, ready to be distributed to restaurants and consumers all over the world. In the end, the entire process is a testament to the combination of tradition, technology, and innovation, ensuring that each piece of king crab meets the highest expectations from both producers and consumers alike. Whether it's a luxury dish in a high-end restaurant or a seafood delicacy at home, the king crab products are delivered with the utmost care, ready to be enjoyed around the world.